Okay. Today we are having this hunger strike to protest against the non-payment of the Dayanan Social Security Scheme for the last 4 months for persons with disability. As you know, the Dayanan Social Security Scheme is only for those people who do not have a monthly income of more than 2,000 rupees. So this is for the poorest of society, and even that the government is not paid for the last 4 months is becoming very difficult for persons with disability to survive without this money, because besides the daily living expenses, you have the medical expenses, you have the physiotherapy expenses. So it is becoming very difficult for them to survive without this money. So we are having this protest today to demand that the immediate release of the payment should be done. Also, the Prime Minister Modi had sanctioned 1,000 rupees for as ex gratia payment for the COVID period. Though 6 months have passed, disabled persons in Goa have not yet received that 1,000 rupees. Also, the Supreme Court has said that disabled persons should be given extra ration from the month of April. But in Goa, even though 6 months have passed, disabled persons in Goa have not yet received anything regarding that ration. So, keeping all these things in mind, we thought to draw the attention of the government by having this protest. We have tried to get an appointment 1 month back with the Honorable Chief Minister, but even that has not. But it looks like that he doesn't have the time to listen to the grievances of the people, of the disabled people. So we hope that now at least the government will get up and resolve these grievances at the earliest.
How many beneficiaries are there?
DSS, about 12,000 beneficiaries are there for the DSS, and there are about 33 to 40,000 disabled persons in Goa.
What about the new survey says how many persons are
Which new survey?
of disability?
Yeah.
Latest survey of disability.
Survey is not yet completed. Goa government has not done a survey yet. The only figures are census 2011, okay, which was saying 33,000, and that was for 7 disabilities. So now with the new disabilities have gone up to 21. Because of that, as of date, we are expecting about 45,000 persons with disability.
But at present, how many disabilities are government is giving the certificate?
Certificates are giving to about 11 disabilities only. About 10 disabilities are not yet getting disability certificates.
So they are deprived of other benefits?
Yes, education benefits deprived, DSS benefits deprived, other social security benefits are deprived.